Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making videos on this book. The name of this book is The Laws of the Spirit World. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you people can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you can understand in a better way. Apart from coming 18, 24, 86, you will get confused, friends. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And in our last video, I have covered the topic called Can an earthly soul twin in the spirit world work as a spirit guide? So this I covered. And in our today's video, I am going to cover what is a twin soul and is it the same as the soul mate? So this topic I am going to cover in today's video, friends. Okay. So I will start the video, friends. Okay. And the today's topic is what is a twin soul and is it the same as a soulmate? Now it will start. Okay. Every soul in the universe, the third universe, is actually only one half of a soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that every soul in the universe, the third universe is only actually the half of a soul. Means I am a half. I am not complete. My soul is not complete. Your soul is not complete. It's just a half soul, right? When a soul begins its journey on Realm 4 stage 5, it splits into two, a male soul and a female soul. So this is very interesting, friends. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that whenever a soul starts its journey from Realm 4 stage 5, okay, so it splits into two parts, one male soul and another is female soul. The original male and female soul must eventually reunite on Realm 7 stage 9 to form the whole soul once again. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that this soul is going to again go get reunite in stage 7 stage Realm 7 stage 9. Okay. So this soul is again going to reunite, friends. Okay. This soul are known as twin souls. So this both soul are known as twin soul. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. This take place after numerous lifetime. After both souls have finished their individual training on earth, sometime as a male and sometime as a female. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that this soul after many lifetimes they reunite after many lifetime when they finish their soul lesson, sometime as a male soul and sometime as a female soul. Okay. And have paid off their karma. Only then can two souls unite to form a whole on Realm 7 stage 9. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling us via Korshed Bhavnagri that when a soul starts his journey from Realm 4 stage 5 and then that soul gets reunite on Realm 7 stage 9 and after completing their journey as male soul and female soul. And friends, those who doesn't know what is realm, for them I will tell you. Realm 1, 2, 3 realm is considered to be the hell. Fourth realm is considered to be neither hell or neither heaven. And fifth, sixth, seventh realm is considered to be the heaven, friends. Okay. So after realm 7 stage 9, that soul again gets reunite, right? Once again. When you reach Realm 7 stage 9, just before you merge, you become a original male soul and female soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling when we go in Realm 7 stage 9 and we merge together and then only we became original male and female soul. And you then move to next universe. So there is next universe. Then we are going to move to next universe. How interesting it is, friends. Then after this, we move to next universe. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri. However, your twin soul is very different from what you on earth refer as a soulmate. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that the concept of twin soul is completely different what we refer in the earth as a soulmate. When you use the term soulmate, you use it for someone you feel very close to. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, when we use the word called soulmate, we use this term for somebody whom we feel that this soul is very much close to us. But that person might not be your twin soul. He or she may be a group soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, if we feel something close to for a particular soul, we feel very close, that I am very close to you. So there is not possible that soul may be our twin soul. There is quite possibility that that soul may be our group soul, with whom you have had many past life connection. So with that soul we have many past life connection, right? God created a certain number of soul at the same time. This soul reincarnates together on earth in the same group. So exactly what is soul group? Soul group is at a particular time God have created many soul, right? And those soul gets reunite and take many births. After births, from many lifetime they keeps on taking birth, and they have a strong past life connection, life after life, because of their love for each other, so that they can help each other rise spiritually and lead a better life. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, so this soul take many life after life together, so that they could help other soul to rise spiritually and grow further in their spiritual journey. This soul are known as group soul. Sometime when you feel close to a person you have never met. So this soul may be a group soul, because many a time what happen, we meet to certain number of soul and we feel so happy. We feel that they may be our soulmate or twin soul, but there is quite possibility that they are our group soul, and we have shared many past life journey with these group souls. It could be never that person is your group soul. Your group soul could be your parents, children, neighbor, or friends. A person can have only one twin soul, but many soulmate or group soul. Here, a very interesting point Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagari, that a soul may have a soul have only one twin soul, but soul may have many group soul and many soulmate, right? So it is possible. When you meet your twin soul, it is very special bond if both soul are on a good level. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, when we meet our twin soul, it is a very special bond if both the soul are on good spiritual level. They can help each other rise spiritually on earth, and they can develop real trust and friendship because their spirit recognize each other. So if they are on a good spiritual level, so their spirit recognize each other, so they love each other, they have very good affection for each other, they care for each other, because their spirit are on a very good level. It is beyond physicality. It is about two spirit meeting and recognizing the fact they are one and the same. So it is about the love where two spirit meet with each other and they recognize that yes, we are equal, we are the same, not different. In some cases, if one or both of the soul are on low level, so here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushik Bhavnagari that there is quite possibility that some soul may on low level, one soul is on higher level, other the soul is on lower level. The relationship might not be good at all. Twin soul can be at different stage of development, so their relationship cannot be good, right? And because twin soul may be at different stage of development, usually one soul reincarnates on earth and other stays in the spirit world to guide that person on earth. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling, usually when one soul reincarnates on earth, the other soul stays on the spirit world to guide that soul on the earth. The only way you will know if a person is your twin soul is through automatic writing. So there is only way to know our twin soul, that is automatic writing. There is no other way to know. And this is revealed on very rare occasion, only when necessary. So and this information is also very secret, and it is only revealed on very special occasion, right? when it is necessary, not all the times. For example, if your twin soul is known to you and that twin soul is falling spiritually, you will be told to tactfully help that soul. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that if we have a twin soul and if we know that our twin soul is falling spiritually, so our spirit guide may tactfully tell us go and help that twin soul because he or she is falling spiritually. The main reason God split each soul into two is to teach your coexistence. So this is the main reason why God split us into two soul, because to teach us the importance of coexistence. You are responsible for each other's progress. United twin soul can achieve a great deal. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that we are responsible for each other progress. And united spirit soul, united twin soul can achieve a great deal. But if one of them falters, then both suffer spiritually. So even if one soul also falls down, then both souls are going to suffer spiritually. This is because once you reach Realm 7 stage 9, you have to merge with your twin soul and become a whole soul. Because the reason is once we reach to Realm 7 stage 9, we have to merge with our twin soul and become a whole soul. Only then you will be allowed to progress to the next universe, fourth universe. So then only we are going to allow to progress to the next universe, that is fourth universe. If you are on Realm 7 stage 9 but your twin soul is spiritually low, you will have to wait for your twin soul to reach Realm 7 stage 9. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that if we are on Realm 7 stage 9 and our twin soul is on a low spiritual, so we have to wait for our twin to come in the same level. Even if it take many lifetime, this may seem harsh and unfair. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Korshed Bhavnagri that even it may take many lifetime, we have to wait. So it is harsh and unfair somehow. But it is actually to safeguard your spiritual progress. No matter what, you have some who will pray for you and try their level best to make rise spiritually. So however it is for our spiritual progress, so one soul can pray to the God for the spiritual development of other soul. This teaches you responsibility, coexistence and selflessness. So this thing teaches us responsibility, coexistence and selflessness, friends. So friends, this topic came to an end. So in our today's topic was very interesting, friends. Now I believe my twin soul also is in the spirit world, or my twin soul also will be listening, and when this video will be published, my twin soul will also be listening to this video and will be happy. And I hope my twin soul is, and I pray to God is in 7th realm stage 9. Okay, and let us all do good karma and we all will go one day in realm 7 stage 9 and we are going to move to the next universe, that is fourth universe. So friends, in our today's topic I have covered called what is a twin soul and is it the same as a soulmate. So this was the topic which I covered. And friends, in the next video I'm going to cover the topic called are you both known as Vipsi and Ratu in the spirit world, or do you have spirit names? So this will be the next topic which I will be covering in the next video, friends. Okay, friends. So this bring end to today's video, and hope so you all have enjoyed this video. And friends, do like my video, press the bell icon, subscribe my channel, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, what I was telling, I give number to each and every, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand in a better way, friends. Okay. And friends, what I'm doing is I'm giving number to each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay. So friends, this brings to end of today's video, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay happy, stay blessed, and let all of us do good karma, and one day we'll definitely come in spirit world and you will say I used to see your video and today we all are in the spirit world. Goodbye friends. Okay, I will meet you in the next video.